like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is that time of the month where I tell you about some of the latest launches coming out, and we only have one more after this video to do this year, and that's another year wrapped up. So I guess I'm assuming before I look that this will be just some stuff that you can pick up during the holidays or maybe to have your eyes on during the holidays. Let's go. Available now, new Futurist Blush Maker Dewy Cheek Tint Liquid Blush from Estee Lauder, a refreshing water cream blush that transforms into a second skin sheen of dewy color and healthy looking glow, retails for $32. I feel like I haven't seen a lot launched from Estee Lauder, like in recent years. You know, I know they're staple products, but I feel like I haven't heard much of them launching new products. The colors look very pretty. I would try it. It's $32, so it's like, am I gonna rush to try it? No, but I would try it because Estee Lauder makes good products. I look at the swatches. No, I would try it. The shades look flattering. I would try it. Holiday 2025. Peanuts has collaborated with Starface. Snoopy Pimple Patches inside a mirrored collectible compact made with 100% hydrocolloid. Absorb fluid, shrink spots, and protect your skin. You get 32 patches for $16.99 or 64 patches for $29.99. Now, it is very cute. If you love Snoopy, I feel like you'll probably like this. I like pimple patches. I know some people are like, they don't work, they don't do. I think it depends on the pimple patch that you try. I would at least try it. 32 for $17. I would, if you like Snoopy and you like pimple patches, I would try it. Holiday 2025 limited edition lip balms from Vaseline. Enjoy winter by protecting your lips from dryness, featuring a unique aroma. Infused with vitamin E, moisturizes, protects, and restores dry skin with a natural glossy shine, while also preventing and caring for chapped lips. The set is $14.20, but each one is $3. It's Vaseline, so maybe is either you want the Vaseline or you don't want the Vaseline. However, they just come in different scents. So there's mistletoe, pink bubbly, sugar cookie, pomegranate, marshmallow kiss. The names, I would pick one up just if I need a Vaseline, just depending on which one I wanted to go for. It's Vaseline. Either you want it or you don't. Okay. Available now. New Jelly Job lip gloss from NYX Cosmetics. Early access. Get Jelly Smooth, Shine, and Jelly Juicy volume in one tube. Lightweight formula, high shine, ultra precise silicone applicator, hugs every. It's lip gloss. Retails for $12 each. It's NYX. Affordable. They make quality products. I'm looking at the shades. I'm seeing options. I would definitely at least try one of these. I would at least try one of these. Now, again, there are things I'm like, oh, I need to go order that. And then there are things I'm like, if I'm ever in an Ulta or something like that and I see it, I would pick it up, I would play with it, I would swatch it, and then I'll probably just go ahead and add it to the bag. But speaking of lip glosses, lip products, whatever, stuff like this, I got a PR package from a brand that I've never heard of before, but I believe it's like a Korean brand. Y'all know I'm on my Korean skincare tip. So it's Vitamosk. That's the name of the brand. They sent me these glosses. I like these. First of all, there's like different shades. I did put one in like the middle of my lip today, and I like how it looks in with other colored lip products. However, just as like a chapstick or something like that to throw in your bag, I like this because I had put it on for the first time at night, and when I woke up the next day, and you know, I'm a mover in my sleep, it was still on my lips and my lips were still hydrated. I was like, wait a minute, I like that. You going straight into my purse. I don't even know where this is sold. Like literally I just got the package in the mail, but this brand, one to check out for their lip products. Old Navy Beauty. Okay. Old Navy is the first brand within the Gap Inc. expanding into beauty and accessories. The line will include body lotions, body wash, hair, and body mist, each coming in 5 gourmand and floral scents, such as Vanilla Crush, Amber Vibe. Prices range from $7.99 to $16.99. Okay, see, now I had to read that description because I hear Old Navy Beauty, I'm first thinking makeup, but I guess like body care products and whatnot. I feel like it's gonna give, you know, any other, you know, body care that you could find in an Ulta or a Walmart or Target or something like that, and it's just going to be based on, do you want to support Old Navy? Do you agree with their prices? And do you like the scents and the whatnot of the products? I feel like the products are probably going to work like all the other ones will. Like, they'll be like the same quality, same stuff like that. But would I be willing to try it out to find out for myself? Yes, I would. Yes, I would. Oh, it's coming summer 2026. I did the video telling you guys that MAC will be coming to Sephora and Amika will be coming to Ulta. Not only online, but also in stores. You can see the products, feel them, and have them in your own personal shopping experience. I haven't tried too much of Amika, but I do know the my hairstylist who does my silk presses. I know she uses a lot of their products, and my hair loves Kia. So if she likes it, I like it. Definitely a brand that I will check out more once it comes to Ulta. I'm seeing a lot from SheGlam. Okay. A new Laneige, baby. Laneige puts out a new lip mask. It's just, do you like that flavor? And it's gonna be the same like every other lip mask. And if you tried the lip mask before, you know if you like it or not. I like the lip mask, but it's just, if they put out a new version, it's just, do you like that? Do you want cotton candy lip mask? Do you want a green apple lip mask? Okay. Show us the products. Okay, new fragrance, Lovely Noir from Sarah Jessica Parker presents a composed interpretation of femininity through a floral woody structure. This fragrance brings together luminous notes and a quiet depth, creating an atmosphere of evening poise. Let me just look at the notes. Pear, mandarin, jasmine, ears are ringing, sandalwood, amber. I would smell, where's the soap? Oh, coming soon in retailers, but where are her fragrances sold? Because I looked at the notes and it's giving, I might like this one. I have to look into that because I literally don't even know. I know that she makes fragrances. I don't know where they're sold. Available now, Shimmer Mist from Boy Smells. Glow up with this radiant hair and body mist. Spray it on and leave a trail of glimmer in your wake. Retails for $32. So there is Cherry Slay and Chestnut Cheeks. Have I tried Boy Smells before? I don't think that I have. I'm intrigued by the glimmer aspect of it because I like, shimmer, body shimmers, or oils that will make your body shimmer and stuff like that. I would at least check this out. I don't know where. Is this Sephora? Are they sold at Sephora? I'll have to look into that. Another fragrance. This is from Flur. This is their Cashmere Skin, Hair, and Body Fragrance Mist. This fragrance feels intimate and familiar, yet quietly magnetic. It's like bare skin wrapped into the softest knits. This 8 ounces retails for $38. 3 ounces retails for $25. Notes: almond, cashmere, vanilla, musk. This could go either way. A lot of times when fragrances say like, oh, like it'll smell like the body, smells like the body. Smells like outside. Smells like stray dog on the body. You know what I'm talking about. But I looked at some of the notes. I usually like, when cashmere is a note. Musk, that's what, like, it can go either way with that one. I would have to smell in person because I've only found one Fleur fragrance that I actually like. So I would have to test it out in person. I'm seeing a lot of lip products and it's like, give me something else, please. Give me something else. I only wear like the same 2 lip products. I'm seeing also a lot of like body care, but like body care from EOS. This is body care from Bath and Body Works. Okay, one last thing. I guess one last, or maybe 2. I'll give you 2. Y'all have 2 more tries with me. Okay. The new Major Dimension Essential Artistry Edit eyeshadow palettes from Patrick Ta. 3 palettes with 6 essential neutrals, a mix of warm and neutral undertones with buttery matte powders, which can go from soft to smoky glam in seconds. This retails for $44. Oh, so there's a like light, medium, and deep option. Patrick, y'all know how Huda will make a palette and it's like there's an option for light skin and option. My camera overheated, but there's an option for medium skin tones and then there's an option for dark skin tones. This is kind of the same thing. So I like that, but I have not tried much of his eyeshadow, but from what I have, I might need to go ahead and add this to the collection. Now, yes, I don't wear eyeshadow much anymore, but with that, the eyeshadow palette from Danessa. I'm good with like colorful eyeshadow. I want a really like one good neutral eyeshadow palette. So when I am wearing eyeshadow and I am looking for a more, you know, just calm, simple eyeshadow look, I want one good neutral eyeshadow palette, and I feel like I could probably get that with this one. So if you see a video coming up, just know they got me on this one. I did see this. This will be the last thing I talk about. I did see this, and I was considering getting this during the Sephora haul, but and especially for like the price tag of this, I looked into reviews, and it's the reviews that kind of steered me away from this. This is the FacialPro Glow at Home Hydro Powered Facial System from Shark Beauty. The complete at home hydro powered facial system, 10 benefits in 10 minutes with one device, delivers instant and radiant glow with good for your skin ingredients with spa level results. It retails for $3.99. That is why I was like, no, wait a minute, I need to go look into what other people are saying about this. So it includes the FacialPro Glow Power Hub, exfoliating attachment, deep puffy attachment, Derm Detox, AHA and BHA exfoliating gel, hydro infused BHA hydrator, 2 normal tips and 2 gentle tips. So I was looking at it and I was like, now I might need to go ahead and get that. Now you're like $400. However, one facial a month could be like $150-ish something, right? So like $400, you know, within like 2.5 months, you've already gotten back the money that you paid for that. And then you can keep using it month after month after month after month after month, right? So I was like, it'll work itself out. It makes sense in my head. But then I went to go look at the reviews, and I saw a lot of people who had tested it out, and either, you know, like it was sent to them, it was a sponsored post, or it was people who bought it with their own money and they really liked it. So I was like, I don't know. That Sephora sale is coming, you know, 20% off, $400 is something. But then I started seeing dermatologists and like estheticians talking about it, and they were like, you know, it's something that you can add to your routine at home if you want to. But they were saying the only reason that they would like maybe suggest against that is because the upkeep on keeping it sanitized, and if you don't keep it sanitized, the effects of not having it sanitized and it being clean when you use it could probably do more harm than good if you continue using it like that, right? And so I thought about it and I was like, I don't know if I even want to test that. Like, and mind you, like once I get into my head, there's no getting out of it. I'm like, I feel like even if I try to keep up with instructions on how to clean it and whatnot, maybe I won't do it how I'm supposed to. And I'm not taking any chances of messing up my skin. So it's like, maybe I should just continue the facials with people who are, you know, licensed and they know what they're doing with that. So I kind of chickened out on getting that one. But if you have it, let me know. And let me know what's the process like when it comes to cleaning it and sanitizing it on your skin, because I want it. I want that. So let me know in the comments if you have tried it. But I am intrigued. in that. And it says something like Korean, it was built off in Korea. What did it say? Hold on. Developed in Korean skincare labs. And y'all know me and Korean skincare go like this right now. So I am intrigued. And yeah, y'all, that is it for this month. A little overwhelming, you know, especially as we're going into the holidays, but I guess that also helps when it comes to saving your money. But there were some things that I was intrigued in, some things that might pop up in videos. Let me know if there's anything that you would like to see a video on that I did not mention in this video. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.